Bay, the criminal fraud trial is back on for Elizabeth Holmes. Today, the jury found and heard from prosecution's first witnesses. Chronon's Amy Larson is there and has more.
It's only day 2 of the Elizabeth Holmes criminal fraud trial, and the court has already had to dig into its alternate jurors. Today, a female juror was dismissed, and she was replaced by a male juror. Legal experts told me that this is out of the favor of Holmes because female jurors are more likely to identify with Holmes. Holmes' defense team is expected to try to pin the blame on Sunny Balwani. He's Holmes' ex-boyfriend and Theranos COO. In court documents, her lawyers accuse Balwani of controlling, manipulating, and abusing her. Legal experts say the defense could try to use the Me Too movement in its favor.
They're going to have to get the jury to identify with her. Whenever you're representing someone, you always want them to identify with their client. So in this case, it looks like they're going to, so-called, she's a victim. She was 19, she was a young woman when she started this company. She had an older, mentor who funded quite a bit of this, turned out to be her boyfriend. It's questions of whether or not he was too controlling or possibly abusive towards her. But it really comes down to they have to sympathize with her, or they have to find that the prosecution didn't give them enough evidence to back up the allegations.
A tense moment happened in court this morning when the judge warned the gallery against trying to sway the jury in any way. The judge said he was concerned that one trial observer shouted, "Don't forget the Me Too movement," when jurors were entering the courthouse. One woman left the courtroom in a huff and never came back. Today we heard more testimony from Theranos' financial manager, Han Spivey. She testified that Theranos was hemorrhaging money at a time that Holmes was wooing investors. Prosecutors are using Spivey to try to establish a motive for why Holmes would need to defraud investors.
Because they have to lay out the motive, right? Why would you be defrauding people? Right? She may have a noble intention of trying to, innovate the healthcare industry, great. But when you know that the product's not working, you have a duty to disclose that. If you read the indictment, there's a lot of facts in the indictment that it's going to be a mountain that the defense has to climb.
Prosecutors showed the jury spreadsheets detailing Theranos' finances. The company was in danger of running out of money, and its mini blood testing invention was giving patients false blood lab results. Holmes faces up to 20 years in prison if convicted of the federal fraud and conspiracy charges against her. I'm Amy Larson reporting for Chron 4 News in San Jose.